Have this ever happened to you? You're playing video games or working from your computer and then suddenly there's a blackout. Not only does this disrupt your fun or your work progress, did you know that it's actually very harmful for your electronic devices? Hey guys, it's been a while since my last video. I hope you guys have been doing well. So the question of today is, have that ever happened to you? Losing your work progress while working on a desktop, or getting disconnected mid-rank game? Ugh, that sucked. It hurts. Happened to me way too many times. That is why I'm making today's video, because this morning I received a very life-saving equipment from PowerUpsAsia. UPS, uninterruptible power supply. What is it, you might ask? Well, it is understandable because it's not a very commonly used equipment, especially in most Singaporean households. Alright, so what a UPS such as this Vertiv Liebert itON PSA SOHO that PowerUpsAsia has kindly sent over is that it kind of acts like a power bank to protect your electronics from sudden shutdown due to power interruption or electricity loss in your area. Let's cut to the chase and unbox this bad boy. Okay, so let's open up this box and see what's inside. Okay, first let me remove the tapes. Straight out of the box, you get the power cord, the user manual, and of course, voila, ultimately you get the piece itself, the Liebert itON PSA SOHO UPS by Vertiv. So this UPS is an absolute beast when it comes to protecting your sensitive electronics, and it's perfect for small or home offices, desktop computers, standalone IT equipment such as your camera, television, gaming consoles, whatever, you name it. Alright, so first off, it's compact, won't hog your precious desk space, plus it has some fantastic features you will love. Take a look at the sockets. They can accommodate a variety of plug types, making it super convenient for all your devices. Yep, that's right. This UPS has a built-in USB port, so you can charge your mobile devices even during a power outage. Automatic voltage regulations? Check. It keeps your devices safe from voltage fluctuations, which can be a big lifesaver when it comes to sensitive electronics. Alright, so see these oversized plugs? No worries about them blocking your neighboring sockets. Vertiv has obviously got you covered. Last but not least, safety first. So the Liebert itON PSA SOHO has a built-in fuse protection to safeguard your gadgets in an event of a short circuit, and it's also a fire hazard safety measure, which is very important for all your devices in your household. It's time to test out the UPS. Over here I have connected the UPS to my CPU. This right here is the cable for the CPU. UPS is connected directly to the electrical socket. Now I'm going to simulate a power outage by switching off the electric socket, which is actually powering the CPU and the UPS right now. So in theory, if I shut that down, this should back this up. Let's stimulate it right now. I'm gonna shut this off. 3, 2, 1. Whoa. We just plugged this out too. Whoa. Ooh, okay.
So as you can see here, it's running on battery right now.
My CPU is still on. My computer is still on. It's still working. Yeah, so look at that. There's no interruption whatsoever. So this UPS gives you enough time to save your work and shut down your system properly. Okay, I'm gonna put this back in. Power. Alright, so I've connected the UPS back into the electric socket. And now it's running on power. Yeah, you see? There's no interruption whatsoever. It just gives off a beeping sound when the power is out to warn you and give you ample time for you to save your progress and shut down your PC properly. Alright guys, so there you have it. Once again, thanks so much to PowerUpsAsia for sending over the Vertiv Liebert itON PSA650 SOHO. This is a complete lifesaver. If you guys want to keep your electronics safe and sound, this is definitely a must-have. It's reliable, it's feature-packed, and compact enough to fit anywhere. Alright guys, so we're coming to the end of this video. If you found this review helpful, do support the channel by clicking the like button and subscribing for more gaming content, tech reviews, and cool gadgets. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you learned something new. I'll see you in the next video and also on my streams. Till next time, stay powered, my friends.